race fans, to OffTrack RC, and this is SportMod competition. This is our middle class, kind of replicating those early 90s to mid 90s time frame. These trucks have evolved a lot over the years. This should be exciting. Mike Bufka, what do you think?
I'm interested to see just how these trucks are going to perform today. You know, in the off-season, a lot of racers have re-platformed a lot of their trucks. We're seeing drivers, implement some new technologies that we've never seen in this particular class before. We're seeing new axles tried out. We're seeing new suspensions tried out. And with, these faster trucks, we're going to see if they're able to actually get that horsepower to stick down to our kind of more wet conditions today. Is the power going to be too much? Is it going to be helpful for getting these trucks turned around in these tight 180-degree turns? I'm excited to find out, and I think everyone else here is too today.
It's a lot of power to throw down to this track. It should be exciting. We've got a stacked lineup. We've got a ton of trucks out there ready to compete this afternoon. Not to mention, last year out, this class in the Trigger King series ended in a tie. And so arguably our most competitive class out there top to bottom.
Absolutely, huge number of entries, and all trucks are pretty darn close in speed. It's going to be really interesting to see if the top competitors from last year are going to hold on to it, or if some new blood is going to come in and kind of upset the natural order of things on who exactly can be fastest here today in this building.
It's always evolving. You never know what cream will rise to the top. Let's get down to some of the action. Starting off with some qualifying results, taking a look at the top 10, but focusing on the top 3, El Toro Zombie and West Virginia Mountaineer tied. Cheech gets the advantage in the second spot by a faster first run. Orange Fury, though, leading the charge with an 888 with a brand new Goblin chassis from PRP in Orange Fury. He could be tough today. We'll see what the bracket brings, but right now, the first pair is on the line. It's Maximum Effort in the far lane. Fred Kurz and Connor Sixth in the near lane in the snake bite. Maximum Effort laying it on the track and taking the win. In the far lane, it's a newcomer. Metal Health, driven by Devin Treat, and a new truck, Wildfoot, driven by Mike Spurlock. Trouble in the far lane, and Spurlock gets it done in the near lane with the Wildfoot. Right back up on the line, Spurlock with the wild side on the track against Orange Fury 2. The other orange truck, the fast qualifier, this one, the number 9 qualifier, but still getting it done. Taurus, Jeremy Mark in the near lane, far lane, and Sampson, Devin Treat in the near lane. It looks like a red light from the Sampson truck, but it's not going to matter as Taurus gets to the finish line first. Aquabats, Isaac Ankrum, and the Punisher, Fred Kors, on the line, waiting for green. Aquabats leading the charge all the way around the track. Bob C. Chandler, Bigfoot Destination, and Gravedigger Evolution, Jordan Sick in the far lane.
Don't let me interrupt. Drivers ready? Yes. Watch the lights.
Chandler off to the lead. Sick still in it in the Gravedigger truck, but Chandler just so smooth, it's hard to stop. Destination finish line and the win. El Toro Loco, Pinkalicious, Chris Hackinson in the near lane. A little out of shape already, facing off against the Mongoose truck. The Bull is in trouble, and the Mongoose is going to win.
Good run, Jeremy. Yeah, thank you.
Thunder Chicken, Chris Lane, moving the Thunder Chicken identity over to SportMod this year, and Bigfoot Chrome Illusion, driven by Levi Schoen. Oh, the chicken is clucking the wrong direction as Chrome Illusion, Levi Schoen gets the win. Bob C. Chandler with the new Eruption truck on the starting line, and Mike Bufka with the Monster Patrol. Bufka with a great first corner. Eruption in trouble. Oh, but now Monster Patrol in trouble as Eruption gets it done. Andy Salerno in the TMNT truck in the far lane and barefoot racer Chris Parrish in the near lane. These two had some great battles last year in the Trigger King series. Salerno off to the lead. Barefoot blows the first corner wide. Oh, trouble over the bus stop. Wow. A big charge at the finish line. Taking a look at the OTRC replay. Barefoot charging. Salerno gets there first. I think there may have been a penalty on Barefoot anyway, but Salerno gets it done clean and simple, getting to the finish line first. Equalizer. Chris Parrish on the line facing off against the all-new Rap Attack from Dan Chicha. Gosh, Rap Attack not even wrapped yet, but bringing out an incredible identity for the SportMod class, but not going to get it done today as the all-new Equalizer truck moves into the second round.
Drivers ready?
King Kong, Chris Lane in the near lane, and Austin Grosier with the Bulldozer in the far lane. Bulldozer with trouble. King Kong cruising around the track. A little kick of the tire and straight across the finish line. Toodles and Little Tiger. Caleb Jasinski in the near lane, and Andy Salerno with the incredible new Little Tiger in the far lane. Salerno off to the lead. Oh no! Salerno a little wide, and Toodles sneaks in there for the victory. Back to the top of the bracket. It's round two. Our first glimpse at our number one qualifier, Orange Fury, facing off against the number 17, Maximum Effort. Blank showing why he's the number one qualifier, backing it up with another incredible pass down the track with Orange Fury. Straight back up on the line, Blank back with the Orange Thunder truck. Ooh! Spurlock may have jumped the light there, but Blank off in the lead. It may not be relevant, and it's not, as Orange Thunder takes the win. Taurus facing off with Aquabats. This is the number 4 and 13 matchup. Will number 13 be lucky? Taurus off to the lead now. Oh, wow! Aquabats pile driving the bus stop and then sinking it on the landing with style across the finish line. Bigfoot Destination, Bob C. Chandler, and Mongoose in the far lane, Jeremy Mark. The Goose off to the fast start, but here comes Chandler. Chandler so smooth, it was tight at the finish line. A little high five at the end amongst the competitors there. Let's take a look at the replay, though. Mongoose, big air over the bus stop. Chandler fairly low over the bus stop. Powered down to the finish line by a little bit more than a tire. Destination gets the win. West Virginia Mountaineer in the far lane, and Bigfoot Chrome Illusion, Levi Shones in the near lane. The Mountaineer off to a good start, but trouble in the first corner. They're neck and neck. Mountaineer gets it done, though. Eruption, number 7, and TMNT, number 10. TMNT off to the jump. Chandler, another great Chandler turn, taking the lead and never looking back, erupting to victory. El Toro Loco, number 3, against the number 19 qualifier, Equalizer. A Chris and Chris race. Hackinson with the lead. Great turn. Parrish with issues in the first corner. And Zombie Toro Loco will move into round number 3. Toodles. Caleb Jasinski, a newcomer to the OTRC series. And King Kong Chris Lane flipping it around the corner. Oh, a little bounce outside in that second corner, but getting to the finish line first. Kong moves on. Round number 3 brought Orange Fury and Orange Thunder, 2 blank trucks from the Orange Grove Racing team, to the line. Fury with a single takes the freebie into the semifinals. This should be a great matchup. The 4-5 with Taurus versus Bigfoot Destination. Oh no! Taurus slips in the first corner, and that's all it'll take as Destination cruises to victory. The number 2 qualifier, West Virginia Mountaineer, and number 7, Eruption. Cheech is going to have his hands full, even as the number 2 qualifier is Chandler. It's so hard to beat, but they're neck and neck so far. 2 different approaches to the first corner. Wow! It was a great race. Eruption getting there just a little bit quicker. So we move to the final pair in round number 3. King Kong, Chris Lane in the near lane, and El Toro Zombie, the hack attack in the far lane. Neck and neck, 2 very different approaches, but trouble for Zombie. Nonetheless, Kong gonna get it done. This is semifinal action. We are blistering through a large sport mod class with the number 1 qualifier, Orange Fury, and Bigfoot Destination, number 5, Destination, off to the lead. Wow! Fury with an incredible final corner sneaks in there for the win down the final straightaway. Eruption and King Kong, the number 7 and 6 seeds in the bracket. This could be a fun matchup. Oh, it was tight right down to the final corner, and Chandler gets to the finish line first. It's finals time at OTRC in this sport mod competition. We got the number 1 qualifier, Orange Fury 2, bringing out a new truck on debut. Big performance so far, but facing off against the old champ, Eruption with a brand new truck, Bob C. Chandler. Blank versus Chandler. It's going to be a big throwdown right here, and here it comes. Now you're good. Finals time. Race number 1, event number 1, sport mod action, Orange Fury 2 and Eruption. Eruption off to a big jump off the tree. Nailed the start. Big air for Fury, and that's going to be all as Eruption rolls to victory. Taking a look back at this final round action, right from the start, Eruption just jumped on the competition, and Blank was trying to play catch up the whole way after that. Smooth and silky around the track. Chandler nails the final corner, power down to the finish line, and gets it done in bracket 1. We want to thank everybody for joining us on OTRC Sport Mod Action. We've got more to come. We want to thank all the viewers. We want to thank JB Scale Graphics for hosting the event, and Mean Duck Productions in the production booth. Until next time, we'll see you then.